Hi guys, and welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
We're actually going to Puerto Rico.
Ay, bis, la isla del encanto.
La Isla del Encanto.
Right.
It's Bad Bunny Central.
Yeah.
Biz,
Yeah.
we've had this trip planned for over a year,
Yeah.
but like we booked it like 3 months ago.
Yeah.
The day is here. My mom literally just dropped us off at the airport.
Express.
And then we were already lost.
Yeah. Bag
Thank
tags,
you.
y'all. Those bag tags.
Thanks. Bitch, we're gonna pass through security now. But I was telling Kevin, bitch, I don't know why when I pass through security, I'm like, I feel guilty. I'm like, yeah,
They're gonna get our ass.
they're gonna get me. Like, I feel like when they're like checking me, I'm like, I just know, like,
Just me, whatever.
bitch, I
Send
fucked
us
up.
We're gonna go see Bad Bunny.
Thank you, and Rao.
Thank
Bitch,
you.
Daddy Yankee.
Tengo Caldero.
Tengo Calderón, Eladio Calderón. Bitch, everybody. We got such good seats.
First class.
Bitch, this is the closest we'll get to first class. Look at that, man. Guys, oh my god, I just got an email like as the plane is literally
We're literally moving, y'all. She gets our email and it's, you got the internship.
Bitch, I got the internship that I wanted. Bitch, me all getting like about to cry. Wait, I'm so in shock because I didn't think I was gonna get it. I already submitted my video interview yesterday and I was like, nah, like I don't think I'm gonna get
Oh
it.
my god. No, rapidísimo, güey. They saw you and they're like, yeah, that's the one. We'll go with her.
Yeah, and right as the plane is about to take off. We're here.
You mean guys?
Guys, the flight was so quick. I feel like I was in there for like 30 minutes.
Literally though, it was super fast.
It was like 2 hours and 40 minutes, but girl, it went by so quick. So where's where's Rao?
Right now. Where you at, Papa? But tell me why it feels like I'm home. I don't know.
No, yeah, like it feels like I'm in Miami.
Yeah.
No, but bro, I love hearing like the accent. Oh my god, bro. No, I can't.
I just
The Puerto Rico air feels different. She feels tropical.
cute.
Right. No, bitch. Oh my god. No, but I can't wait for you guys to see the hotel. It's so nice.
It's super pretty.
Like,
it's gonna be, oh my
you guys don't understand. I'm really gonna pee myself in the middle of this fucking street because Kevin cannot stop taking pictures.
Oh my god.
I know I'm mad. No, but we're literally sitting here and we're like, this is not real. Like, I'm like looking at everything. Like, what the hell? No, like, there's no way.
Actually, no.
You guys took, bro.
Everything is just al aire libre. Like
Sanctuary.
sanctuary, retreat.
Like, I'm gonna find the meaning of life here. Okay. We came to eat, came to munch. Our little like bakery that's like 5 minutes away from the hotel.
Yeah, algo viste.
I got jamón y queso, ham and Swiss, what's up?
Right.
And bitch, I got Raul Alejandro's favorite drink. He dead ass made a whole song about this drink. Like strawberry kiwi, that's a song. Kiwi con fresa. Bitch, I'm gonna try her out really quick. I'm gonna do a little taste test.
Hello.
Raul, it better taste good.
Right. And let's taste it.
How you bitch?
It hits. This. Oh yeah. I've had it before. Yeah.
Oh, for real?
It's super good. Yeah, she eats. Guys, we swore that this room was gonna be like big, not necessarily big, but it's spacious, pretty spacious. Guys, we walk in and it's literally like tiny home.
No, like we walk in and that's it.
Tiny home. You walk in and that is literally it. Look, girl. That is the door right here. You walk in the door. This is what you got.
And the bathroom isn't even here. We have to walk.
We have to walk to the bathroom, guys. But it's
No.
a girl.
Wait, I'm gonna put the 0.5 because the camera,
please.
I can't
It's
even
too close.
get the full
The 0.5 is. You have to wait for this, girl.
Bitch.
This is literally the room.
That's it.
She's cute though. She's petite.
No, she's petite, but
Tiny home living.
the funny thing is that we just walk in and that's it.
And that's literally
Like,
it.
I
For some
deadass
reason,
thought-
the guy was opening the door for us, and I was like, "Welcome to you." I was like,
I was like,
and then I didn't like fully look because he was giving me the keys. I turned. and
yeah.
I'm like, oh,
No, because I never expected to like walk into like an entire big like You know what I'm saying? Like
this and that. No, bitch. We have to show you guys the pictures because on camera they make this shit look cute.
Bitch, you have to see the fucking. I mean, it's good though. Like it's
good.
nothing terrible. I thought I was gonna be doing like full on
like
get ready
yoga.
with me.
No,
like,
exactly.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing yoga in here, like our workouts. Okay, guys. So we've been chilling in here for a little bit. You know, just taking time to chill because that was like a very long morning that we had. Like we really woke up super early, and now bitch we're gonna go to the beach and then we're gonna shower and go to like this really nice restaurant that we found on TikTok that we really want to go to. So bitch, we're lit. Wait, oh bro, I need a second to take this in. Oh my god, te la saco de otra visa. I tried filming a Get Ready With Me in the bathroom, and girl, the way everything I put on just melted off because it's so hot in that bathroom, girl. So I'm here in the room, and there's like no mirrors in here besides like this that was hanging on the wall.
Be a little hell.
So I'm gonna be doing my makeup like this, and you guys are gonna ignore me. Thank you. Today and like tomorrow are the only days that we're like kind of like we can do whatever we want.
Yeah.
But the rest of the days we have a lot going on.
A lot.
Like a lot. Bro, no, me and Kevin have been talking about this. I feel like ever since we like stepped in like Puerto Rico, it's been so quiet everywhere. Like in this hotel, it's extreme. Like the peace, like it's just silence.
Yeah.
But I feel like outside, even like you don't hear like
this super
nothing
overbearing like
nothing.
amount of music.
It's just like if me and Kevin don't talk, you don't hear anything
at all.
At all. Yeah, guys, let me give you a little rundown of how we even got here, girl. Because literally, we've had this like trip planned for a very long time now. Like we've been talking about going to Puerto Rico for over a year. Like we've been really wanting to do it. And then yeah, about 2 months ago, we were like, bro, let's book it. Like let's do it, bitch. Because we had already been saving up a lot. So we were like, bitch, let's book the trip. This entire trip is about us prioritizing ourselves and our energy
and our bienestar
and don't let other bitches bring you down. Thank you. Ever, bitch. Ever. Thank you. Guys, this is a full outfit for day one in Puerto Rico. Well, night out. Bitch, tell me. Bitch, I literally got out of the beach.
Chula.
Bitch.
Came with very limited space.
No, like we're literally tiptoeing around this fucking place because there's like no spaces.
Little 360.
Little 360. Thank you. Bitch, we can't even show you guys like the full effect.
The full fit because
You know what I mean?
no, bitch. Once we step outside,
I know, bitch.
we
Once
can
step
back
outside,
up.
bitch.
Y'all get into the
Hold
full
on. We'll take you outside, bitch. Thank you. She's cute, right?
This is
A
giving.
little heel,
Yeah.
right?
Little white night out. What's up?
These Moscow Mule, espresso martini. I'll try the Moscow Mule. But Benny, this was for you, girl.
Thank you, mama.
Benito, I love you, mama. Okay, ready?
Le hicimos por ti.
Let's see. Damn, that's so strong.
It's strong.
Shit.
She's strong. Definitely an espresso.
Stop for real?
She's stronger than that
Okay,
one.
let's see. Oh, I like her.
It's good though.
Bitch, wait, she's good.
No coffee.
Wait, espresso martini, that's my new thing. Hold on.
Coming to Starbucks soon.
Come to Starbucks. Bro, there was like this cute waiter, and now I kind of regret not asking for his number.
Bro, and Danny literally said it. She was about to talk to him. She's like, Kevin, you have to hold me back.
Yeah, bitch, because I'm not gonna lie, those like drinks made me tipsy, and I was kind of like
Ready to go for
bitch,
it.
I was ready. I was like, bitch, I would do it, and then I didn't do it. I was like, girl. Actually, we'll come back tomorrow and just get his number.
We're coming back tomorrow.
You know what? Yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow and get his number. I'll keep you guys updated. Bitch, lo cookie-chan, adios. Son las 9 de la noche. Go to fuck sleep. What are you doing?
Cookie? Cookie?
Bitch, the water's so cold. Bitch, the way we're not used to like this like vegan life.
Right.
Like, I get it that you guys are like, you know, super vegetarian, super like nature, earth, plants, ecosystem, organism. You know what I mean?
Ecosystem, organism. Sure.
Like, I get it, but like, girl, me personally, I just want water, bro. Like, good night, best.
Good night, yeah.
Good night, yeah. See you on day 2. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, yeah.
Guys, good morning. It's day 2. We were actually supposed to wake up at 5:30 to see the sunrise. It's currently like 10 a.m. But it's okay. It's okay. There's tomorrow, there's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Vlog, we're ready for breakfast. Vlog, ignore my bruise. I got it while I was moving, so I'm okay.
Yeah, please.
I'm fine, don't cancel me. No bitch. But we ate breakfast and then we went back. And then now we're going to the beach again. Right. You know, the casual.
Have some fun, yeah. Look,
Right.
see.
Show the fish, show the fish.
I wish it's something like, it's
Pretty
nothing
simple.
much, but I my little baseball shirt was stuff.
Baseball.
Yeah, tropical shorts.
Right.
Ready for the beach.
Calling it a day, bruh.
Yeah.
Guys, I just went on Instagram and I saw that Raul Alejandro just posted a screenshot that he posted a song on YouTube.
Yeah.
But like he hasn't posted anything in like 2 weeks. So
he's been super low key. Literally just got on Instagram and we saw that shit. Look,
yeah, dude.
30 minutes ago. You can't see my phone. But 30 minutes ago, he uploaded this song.
By the beach, this is so aesthetic.
Yes, bro. Like in his fucking land.
In his fucking land. Thank you.
He dropped this.
Eso no viene al caso. Es que no vengo de extrañarla durmiendo en mis brazos. No sé cómo parar.
I feel like I'm literally. Bitch, like. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get back together just later on when they both resolve their issues. You know what I'm saying?
Give them time, you guys.
Yeah,
like,
give them time.
They'll
girl.
be back. They'll bounce
back.
back.
And better than ever.
Right.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. The song was.
That's so cute.
Like, hey, home.
Damn, bitch. It hit home a little too close.
Alright.
Hey, kitty.
Hey, Kira.
Hey, girl. Ay.
That's what though.
Ay, está mal. Hey, yeah. Back from the beach, showered, ready to go. Right. No, it's giving like aesthetic, and then it's really getting to the shorts.
Right.
It's definitely the shorts just gives it like, yeah, I'm in San Juan and I'm here to stay.
Right.
Like you're here to serve. Right.
There's something light, to be honest.
Something
It's nothing
very
much.
cash.
It's like a little nice khaki moment.
Right.
A khaki top. The brown belt to go with it.
Así mismo, just to add a little something, nothing too crazy. Oh my god, I just saw a TikTok of this girl that she posted a video, whatever, of her like twerking on this guy at La Placita.
Oh my god.
And it was like me like twerking on this random guy in La Placita. And then it was like a flat, what is it, like flash forward or something?
Fast forward.
And girl, now they're married. I was like, so that's gonna happen. So like I am gonna find my man here.
Right.
The waiter from last night, girl.
This,
that's my man.
We're going again. I hope you guys know.
Yeah.
We're gonna pass by. We're gonna say, hey, papi.
Hey, girl. Vamos para la placita.
Right.
Like, this is the way that I posted last night, guys. And the
la
whole, no, like literally the whole world shook. Like it went, you know what I mean? Like you guys didn't know what was coming. You know what I mean?
Right.
And I honestly feel bad because I should have put like a trigger warning or something.
Low
like
key, like a nice,
bitch,
like, alarm.
Right, like warning with the yellow triangles because I just didn't expect it. Like, and I think it went a little too crazy.
Yeah.
And it was just a story. So imagine when the post.
Los posteos van up. This is so cute. It's literally so cute, Daniela. You're gonna match with the umbrellas, with the wands.
Right.
Yes. Isn't that cute? It's literally
This is not real, girl.
Straight out of fucking Europe.
No, like. Oh my god.
Take it in, guys. Take it in.
I'm literally taking you guys with me just so you can take it in. Like, really take a deep breath, analyze this really quick. Guys, we came to a little restaurant. They sell pizza, so I mean, might as well change it up, be different.
Thank you, girl. Tomorrow, authentic.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's authentic.
We're gonna try to get like authentic Puerto Rican food for like dinner.
Yeah.
But bitch, right now, like, we're hungry as fuck. And like,
We need something traditional.
yeah, we have to go to like the big castle and like a little bit. And bitch, to walk out of that, we need some food. We need some food. But so far, guys, I'm obsessed. Like, I love it here. Low-key, I'm gonna move here.
Low-key, let's go.
Bitch, me and Kevin were like looking at the pictures we took. We were like, this literally looks like Europe. Like everything, just like the architecture and everything. Bitch, so when we leave Puerto Rico, we're gonna post our pictures and be like, location, Italy.
Girl, no, literally to the close friends, because who's gonna know, girl?
Girl, literally, who's gonna know? Yeah.
So good.
Don't play with her. We got piña coladas. The plan. We're gonna get fucked up, blacked out, drunk as fuck, and know that. Papizo. Just from una piña colada.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Bro, imagine I put subscribe to my YouTube channel
At Daniela Perez and Instagram and Snapchat.
and TikTok. Yeah. Guys, we're going to a rooftop bar and lounge.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Just some
Yeah.
drinks.
Kevin walking in with the grocery.
My new tote bag, low key. My new tote. What do we think?
Bitch, no, we're taking advantage of the fact that here we can sit back, relax,
Take
have
a
a Moscow
drink.
meal.
I know, I am a
A
Moscow meal.
Bitch, my Moscow mood, bitch, I fuck with her. I can't stop smiling. Guys, look at this. Literally, we're at the edge, guys. Oh my gosh.
I taste that passion fruit.
Right.
Oh my god, it's so good.
What was that second?
Because I got like a surge of passion fruit. This.
Ooh.
Boy?
Ooh.
She looks spicy.
Yeah, no, literally though.
Spicy.
Guys, we made it home. We're hearing the cookies outside. You can hear them from
Listen,
here.
guys, listen.
You can hear them. Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Cabrón, oye, cabrón. ¿Qué tú haces por esta parte, brother?
No, you still sound Colombian.
Ay, bye.
bitch. You
Oh, no,
can't-
I sound Colombian.
bitch, you don't sound Puerto Rican at all.
It's me and my straight era.
Right, you sound like you're Colombian, but with like a really deep voice. That's really all you sound like, bitch. I'm gonna end day 2 here. So we're just gonna like get into our PJs
Yeah.
and go to sleep because that's the way be awake at 6:20 in the morning, and you guys will find out why.
You'll see.
Bye, y'all.
Bye,
Wish us a
guys.
good night. Day 2 complete.
Right. Ciao, ciao.
Bitch, I said that we were going to sleep, but bitch, vamos for my body.
Bitch, I'm off of my buddy. Mami, tú sacas para el cogarreto. Ese tonto me hizo mi dos. Y venga para acá. Dijo Pepo. Desde que salga el sol me quedo para que lo tuyo.
Hope you enjoyed the free concert.
Super cute. Get ready with us tomorrow.
Remember. Please. It's currently like 7 in the morning. And we're up and ready. Uber's like a minute away.
Hey, yo.
Hey,
Got
yo.
my water ready.
Right.
My yunque fits.
Thank you. Ay, bitch, don't play. She said ready for yunques. Yeah. What?
Oh, water
water
shoes.
Yeah. Going to El Yunque, which is like the rainforest here or whatever. We're doing like a little tour. It's basically like I think it's like a couple hour long hike.
Yeah,
And then
4 hours.
and it takes us to like the waterfall and stuff, and then we get to jump off like the waterfall and go down like slides, and then you get to like jump off a rope and stuff. It's so cool, guys. Oh my god, this is my outfit. Very simple, very El Yunque.
They like for the girl.
Right, something like for the girls, but we're so
We're
excited.
waiting on the Uber. Yeah.
Guys, look at who viewed Daniela's story. Chris.
I got this actually at Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. Givenchy, Prada.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
on brand.
This was up.
It's already muddy.
Right. On that tree.
Thank you. The way we just climbed up an entire mud wall. Hey.
We're ready.
We finished the first hike. Now we're going out to the second one. Ooh. Guys, we just like jumped.
We just jumped the rope in the back. It was crazy, y'all.
Guys, it was so much fun.
Crazy, y'all.
Like, it was so wild.
It was the adrenaline, the rush.
No. Like, I cannot even explain. Okay, guys, we're back in the hotel. We showered because, girl, we were literally full of mud and, you know, all of the above. So, bitch, we're showered. Bitch, I'm currently getting ready. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go to Old San Juan again. Bitch, there's this part called, like, it's like the Castillo or whatever. It's like the castle in Puerto Rico. And, bitch, we wanted to go yesterday, but it closed at 5. So we're planning to leave here by 3 so we could still make it. She's cute. Yeah, no mansion. Thank you. We came inside the castle. Girl, she's so cute.
She's adorable.
Girl, she's so like old school.
Yeah.
Bitch, look at her. This is making me feel like uncomfortable. Like, I love it. I love the history, but bitch, got me scared. Got me scared for my life.
1539.
Girl. The circular staircase. I don't know why I like them so much. Girl, they're so vintage. What's up? Bitch, look at this. It's so cool. Ay, mi madre. Oh my god. I really feel like I'm a little princess. Sophia the first.
The way we thought about this thing.
Bitch, I'm all scared. It says that they held like ammunition here, like gunpowder and all that. Hi, I'm scared. What is what?
This is so scary.
Pretty. Mami, qué rica está. Bitch, right. Don't play with.
She's so
Give me Miami.
right.
Bitch, I'm so excited to watch it. Bitch, November 17th? Catch us at the movie theater. But guys, we're gonna watch Barbie and I'll give my reviews afterwards.
Girl.
I love you, mama.
Let's run it again.
So guys, we finished Barbie-licious.
Barbie-licious was so good.
Kevin was crying.
Bawling my eyes up. You guys don't understand. Like, oh my god. It was so
I was falling asleep. Sorry. I don't know. It's not a movie that I was hooked and I was like, oh my god, like at the edge of my seat, like what's next? No, bitch. I was like, okay. Like, you know what I mean? Like, there's some movies where I'm hooked, bitch. I don't care if I'm tired. I will stay up. This one, I was like, okay.
I already knew you were gonna say
No, I've decided that if my husband is not Puerto Rican, I don't want it.
yeah.
Because the way that we just had a cute ass Uber driver, his axe. Oh.
Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand.
We're gonna freshen up, charge our phones,
Get ready for it.
get ready for La Placita, bitch. Guys,
Bitch, I'm ready.
bitch, Kevin is like so hyped up. Bitch, I'm like over here like. No, pero tú estás demasiado activo. No, because it was like 15 minutes ago, this man was like yawning like, ay, yeah, I was falling asleep during the Barbie movie. Bitch, fuck out of here.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Hi, bitch.
Oh
Give her a
my
second.
god. Oh, I'm definitely posting that one.
Please, hire me for all your photographic needs.
Thanks. Le falta sazón, batería y reggaetón. Del Puerto Paco. say bye to the vlog.
Bye, guys.
Okay, go to sleep, girl.
Bye. Bye.
See y'all tomorrow. This is the end of day 3. Wait, day 2?
Day 3.
Day 3. Bye, y'all. Good morning. Bestie, do you want to talk about what happened last night?
I'm good.
Oh my god, I wanted to talk about La Placita last night because, girl, because she was so cute. No, I feel like that was like a one, like, I just have been waiting to go there for so long that it's just like when I got there and like hearing like those songs there, I was like,
Transported.
it's just an experience that I can't even explain. Like, it was so fucking cool.
It was everything everybody said about it.
Yes,
Like,
exactly.
it was like,
and like banger after banger after banger
Oof.
after banger. I just love how like it's just a bunch of bars, but like the club itself is outside. Like people are just dancing on the sidewalk.
On the
You know what I mean?
streets.
Like everybody, like a whole group of people. Like it was so much fun, bro. We're gonna go to the beach, have
Right now.
breakfast.
Hungry.
So I'll see y'all when we get there. Let's dive in.
Yeah.
Let's dive into the place.
Much.
Yeah. Beach. Oh my god. No, I'm literally gonna die. Alrighty, yeah. We're going to our next excursion of the day. Our next event of the day. I'm gonna go drive some vehicles in sand. So excited. Possibility of death. Sign. Kevin Villa. Zombies were in this hole. This house, that one right there, that one right there. Black Panther 2 was filmed there. Fast 5. What else? So many movies have been filmed there. Yeah. She's right there.
Hello.
Personally, I'm in my Moto Mami era.
Yeah. Rosalia.
Just gonna go ride her really quick.
It's gorgeous, yeah.
That's crazy how many actors have been here. Oh my god.
To even think
That's
about it.
insane.
Right.
Kevin was so passenger princess.
Guys, that was Passenger Princess AF. Just been there in the back.
Just chilling in the back.
A little breeze in the hair.
Right. No, but that was so much fun, bro.
It was fun.
Fucking driving that shit, bitch. I felt like Rosalia. Trum, trum, you know what I mean? Alright, so we're back from ATV, whatever the fuck that was. I don't know what it's called.
ATV
But
adventure.
we're going to the beach
Yeah.
to watch the sunset. The way this is my view right now on the rocks and my fucking chancleta broke.
Mercy me.
The way that we just finished eating and we're about to go to the club and I'm over here falling asleep. Girl, like I want to get in this club so bad, guys. It's a club where like Raul Alejandro has been there, Karol G, Bad Bunny, like everybody. Like all the artists go there. So I really want to go, right? But like I'm tired. But like we're never going to be in Puerto Rico again at 19 years old on a Saturday night. So like I have to go. If I don't see Raul, we're gonna have a problem. You know what I'm saying? Well, no, guys, we came to a whole ass like hotel where the club is inside the hotel, and we tried to get in and they said 21 plus, which makes no sense because I looked everywhere and it said 18 plus. Like I double checked, triple checked. So we're just gonna go to La Placita again. Might as well, like, cause I'm being bitch. Clearly they flopped. They don't want us to see Rao in there. I know he's in there. Yeah, I know he's in there.
Right.
Entonces vamos a competir.
A ver, hey.
Yo quisiera enamorarme, pero no puedo, pero no puedo. They started playing Peso Pluma,
And we left.
so we left. We made it back. It's currently what, 1:30 in the morning?
2 in the morning.
Honestly, we didn't really stay out that late because we have to wake up at 6 tomorrow. So we're gonna get like 4 hours of sleep.
What we're gonna give tomorrow is a secret for now.
Right. You'll find out what happens tomorrow at 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
So I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. Update for you guys. I did not meet my Puerto Rican husband in La Placita, but it's okay.
There's still tomorrow and a day after.
No, I mean, yeah, like I have 2 more days to find my Puerto Rican husband.
Yeah.
So,
On the way.
I mean, on the way, you guys will find out if I find out too. If not, I'ma just stay lonely forever.
Sorry.
Bye. Good morning. It's day 4. I'm gonna put these on because they look scary. Mood. Surprise. We're getting on a boat. What did you expect? Girl, we're getting on a boat.
Birthday.
Something very like, no, we're gonna go like snorkeling and then they're gonna take us to like a beach. You know, just a casual boat date.
Yeah.
Girl, it's the way that not one single cell in my body wants to do snorkeling. But like, girl, it's just like not my cup of tea.
Apparently it's with
Like,
turtles.
I just don't want to see that. Like, I just don't. I'd rather see it from the boat. Bye.
New Gucci,
I
new Prada,
personally-
new Gucci.
Yeah, they're Louis Vuitton actually. Thank you. Guys, I just can't do that. I can't snorkel. Girl, I just want to sit on the boat and look pretty.
Yeah.
It's that hard.
Currently flying on a boat right now.
Right. No, it's just casually flying though. Nothing crazy.
Right. Nothing super light.
Everybody's snorkeling.
Everybody's snorkeling us up here.
Sorry. Sorry, girl.
No, we're not
my face,
snorkelers.
my vibe.
We are.
Bitch, if you haven't seen my Instagram pictures yet, by the time I upload this, they all should be up. So, girl, go hide them up. Like, really, what are you doing if you haven't seen them yet? Like, hello. Me too, yeah, now on the top. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. I feel like I'm living out all the movies that I've watched so many fucking times. I don't know, like the way that the mountains are, like, bitch, I just imagine like a T-Rex coming out like, ah! You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So this life, Niña Gola, the view, girls, don't play with me, but I got little tips. Oh, I look like this? Anyways, we made it back, y'all.
Just made it back.
Bro came into the room all now, okay?
Hey,
Okay, new towels.
Vegan.
Hey, leaf.
Hey, vegan.
Girl, they're so vegan here. I love it. I love how we associate vegan with like anything that has to do with like leaves.
Plants or leaves or green.
No, but they're so vegan.
They're
Plant-based,
cruelty-free.
ecosystem, organism, mitochondria,
Our house is
reusable straws,
Yeah.
save the turtle. So I ended up falling asleep, and I don't even know when, how, when, and why. Now we're going to a restaurant to eat dinner. What's up? And then after dinner, we're gonna go do kayaking, like at night or whatever. It's like an activity. Girl, we're so kayak.
Yeah.
Girl, it's the way I'm trying to get excited, but I'm so tired. Oh my god, bro, when I was little, I would get scared of
You
like
eat them.
when you like break it and you know like all the glue and shit.
Yes.
I would be like, girl, come on now.
You're a Barney one of
What
those
is that
ones.
made out of?
I have no idea. Ready for some paddleboarding, some surfing, some tsunami.
Bitch. We're so kaya. Guasa. Guys, we're done with the tour.
Yeah.
Girl, it was so fucking cute. Like,
You were in the ocean.
no, dude, it's no. We literally reached the ocean. It was so cool. And we saw like the waves and stuff.
It's
Like this view right now, girl.
amazing.
Puerto Rico. Fucking But guys, it was so much fun. Bitch, me and Kevin are so good at kayaking. Like,
Yeah.
girl, the way that we literally,
Just
we didn't miss.
At
Like, we
all.
literally ate that up.
everything was so smooth. Paddle left, right.
Left, right. Tell me how. Oh, by the way, we made it home. Tell me how I just checked. You know the club that we were going last night that we literally got denied at the door because we weren't 21? Tell me how I just checked their Instagram. Luna was there last night and Darel was there last night. And they were playing Glass Adorno, like Raúl Alejandro, all that.
They're playing Raúl soundtrack.
Like, do you not understand how much we would have ate? We were literally at the, like, do you not, bitch, at the door. Like, we literally were about to experience that.
They were like,
And then they were like,
21 plus.
no, 21 plus. Like, you're telling me I could have seen that in Lunay in person. I'm gonna take a moment of silence. Pero bueno, this is the end of day 5. But we'll see you guys tomorrow for our final day. Bye. Good morning, y'all.
Buenos días, tía María.
Yay, girl. It's our last day. We've packed up everything.
Hey, girls.
I just wanted you guys to say goodbye to the room.
One last look.
Bye.
Yeah.
You were cute. Little petite. But it's okay. It's okay, girl. But yes, we're gonna leave our suitcases with like the office or whatever because our flight is until 11 at night.
Yeah.
So we just have the entire day to,
Just chill.
Okay, guys, we're at breakfast, and this menu has us like we don't even, bro. I'm like, I don't even know where to begin. Like, we're gonna feast.
Right.
No, I'm literally in shock. Like,
God.
bro, I don't even know how to react.
For how to start.
Starbucks can never
Like, it's
really like dive into this.
I'm like shook. I don't even know what to say.
This food, 10 out of 10.
Good luck.
But we just couldn't get through it. Oh my god, I'm so full. We came back to the little spot, District T-Mobile. What's up?
Yeah.
Girl, she's so pretty. Girl, we came back because we literally don't know what else to do. Like, we're so like, we've done everything in the past few days. Like, we decided we're gonna go to like this obstacle course place. Girl, I'm so excited.
You look cardio, upper body. I'll give up.
Please. No, I'm such a like fan of like obstacle course. But I just love it. Like, I feel like a little kid like when I like go to those things.
Cover my toes.
I know, I can't show you
Guys,
toes. They're
these
not
are for
free.
feet finder.
Exclusive. Yeah, just a casual Monday.
Hey, yunque.
Hey.
Ves, te va a entrar un mareo. Ahí está.
Mira la placita.
Right. Loki.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at what we found. Louis Vuitton authentic real.
Girl, this is actually Gucci. Guys, we're like sitting in la placita.
Just chilling, y'all.
Right.
Catching a break.
Bitch, we're like about to leave. It's like 7:30 right now. Our flight's at 11.
Yeah.
So we're about to like leave, charge our phone, like go back to the hotel, get our suitcases, charge our phones, and then dip. Me and Kevin were saying like we're not even sad about leaving because it's
No,
like
literally.
we literally lived in the present. I feel so at peace. Like the peace that this trip has brought me, it's unreal. I've never had an experience like this ever. And like, oh my god, I was also telling Kevin, bro, like hearing those old school reggaeton songs in person here, like
solidified everything. Igual que hearing Bad Bunny in La Placita.
Dude.
Hearing Rao in La Placita.
and I got my little souvenir.
Yeah. A little Benito.
Hey,
Something
girl.
light.
Hey.
Something for the memories.
Like I don't even know how to explain to you guys. Well, you guys saw everything. Like,
Yeah,
it was, just,
yeah.
it
At
was
this
a dream.
point, you guys watched the entire vlog.
And we were talking about like the excursions, like how we don't even have a favorite one because all of them were so like
Perfect.
unique experiences that we've never experienced. Like the rainforest, bitch, I've never climbed
Ever.
rocks, and
Jumped
I've
off
never
a waterfall.
like yes, jumped off a waterfall, like climbed a mud wall. Like I've never done that in my life.
Sure.
No, everything. Like even today, the obstacle course, that was so fun. Like that was so random, but it was so much fun.
Yeah.
But we worked so much.
We worked so much for this trip, and we've been
Dude.
planning it for like over
We
a
have
year
been
now.
waiting
We've been
for this
talking
trip
about
for a
this.
year.
Yeah.
Like, bro, we work so much constantly, dude. Like, we're always at work,
Always in school.
always working. Exactly. We have school, working like big ass
Full
fucking
time,
shifts,
more than 40 hours.
more than 40
plus.
hours. Like, bitch, like we deserve this shit. Like, who cares what money we fucking spend? Like, we
Bitch, money
saved
comes
up
and goes,
for it.
exactly.
Money comes and goes, but we'll never be 19
In
again
fucking
in Puerto
teenagers
Rico.
in Puerto Rico. just
Teenagers
traveling.
in Puerto Rico drinking whatever the fuck we want.
Right.
Listening to Bad Bunny in La Placita.
Yeah.
Hi, bro, this fucking cat.
Hey, mamas.
Girl, you scared the shit out of me.
Because she's so sitting.
Guys, I don't like cats. But we're currently waiting for our Uber to go to the airport.
He's
and
1
then,
minute away.
yeah, our Uber is really 1 minute away. So we're about to go to the airport and get back to Miami. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. But thank you guys for watching and coming on with us on this trip.
Puerto Rico.
I love you. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next video.
Next vacation. Thank you.
Bye, y'all.